Hello and welcome back to 100 coding challenges in C Sharp. This is episode 35 and it's called for loop message. In this challenge, we're going to ask the user for a message and the number of times it should be repeated, then display the message with a number of repetition back to the user. If you'd like to attempt this yourself, then pause the video now and we'll get started. Let's start off by asking the user to enter in their message. And then we can store that in a string called message. So we'll do console.readline. And then we want to ask the user how many times they would like us to repeat this message. And we'll store that in an integer called repetition. And we want to store this as a number. And then we can have our for loop go through I until the number of repetition. And then output back to the user the message and the repetition. So message will be the first parameter in the string, and the second one will just be I, because as we loop through, I will be the number that actually increments. So let's go ahead and run this. So message, I'm going to say hello. How many times would you like to repeat this message? Let's say 10 times. There you go, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, all the way up until 9. As you can see, this is actually 10 times, but we start at the 0 index. So we also show 0 as the output we're showing back to the user. And that's it for today's challenge. If you're enjoying the series, then make sure to subscribe to be notified when I release new videos. I'll see you guys in the next one.